Alright guys, we can't get out of the gate. We're not vlogging today. We're traps. Good morning! Alright, good morning guys. Another day, another adventure. So I've been MIA for the last couple days. I thought it was a cold originally, but I spoke to my father and he's like, Christopher, allergies everywhere. So it's allergies, so I've been taking my allergy medicine and I might sound a little congested, but I'm ready. Today we got Gusti and Ryan, we got Bali Natural Tours, and we got Sean here, and we're gonna be doing the
Bedugul Tours.
So where are we heading today, guys?
So the first we go to the Royal Family Temple.
Okay.
And then Ulun Danu Temple.
Okay.
So on the way to the rice field, we have to stop at the coffee making process. And then the last, we go to Tanah Lot Temple.
Tanah Temple.
One of the best temple in Bali.
Okay. I'm super stoked for that. Have you been to any of these temples?
No.
No? Okay.
No. Looking forward to it.
Heck yeah. So Bedugul is one of my favorite temples. It's a temple like right on the lake. I believe it's the second largest lake in all of Bali. The last time I was here, I took a boat. So you could actually pay, I think, $1 or $2. You could take a boat around the entire lake. Hopefully we can do that today. I'm super stoked for today. I absolutely love this temple. This is personally my favorite temple in all of Bali, and this is their best tour in Bali. So if you guys are out in Bali, check out Bali Natural Tours and hit up this tour. Oh my god, the traffic is like a gong show here. We drove 40 minutes out of Canggu and arrived at the Taman Ayun Temple, also known as the Royal Family Temple. In entering a temple, we had to put on our sarongs, and the ticket again was covered by Bali Natural Tours. The temple was built in 1634 by the then ruler of the Mengwi Kingdom and is a landmark in the village of Mengwi. There are 4 divisions to the temple, the 4th being the highest, which we ended up entering right away. The entrance was beautiful, and they definitely kept the place tidy and clean. This is the highest level temple out of all the 4, the most sacred essentially. And it's just, there's actually a blessing going on right in there too right now. This is magical.
So that is the same like temple in the north of Bali. We call it Ulun Danu Temple. Oh, that is really beautiful temple on the lake.
Okay, yeah, beautiful. It was a quick little stop seeing the 4th level of the temple, and right after we ended up heading to coffee tasting. And what's a stop in Bali without going to get some coffee, right? Coffee making process again.
Where are you from?
California, where are you from? Alright. Arabica?
Yes.
Arabica coffee?
You know about luwak coffee?
Yeah, they poop it out. And then you eat their poop?
Yeah, the animal that eat coffee bean.
Okay, yep. Boy, ooh, that's like a white dove. Look at that guy. It's like the Spartan of all doves. Oh, Luwak! Oh, you are so cute! That's a big one. You do not look nice. Oh yeah. Oh, they're doves. Yeah. Jesus Christ!
Scream like a girl.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey! So this is right when they poop it out.
From the
Okay. And then
clean this after clean.
Then they clean it.
And then we roasting it.
And then it's the whole making process again. Beautiful.
This you have tried.
Okay. So this is the Luwak coffee, which is one of the most famous and best coffees in all the world. It's pooped out and fermented. Now we have more coffee being made.
Coffee?
Vanilla.
What's up? What? Whoa?
What's good, bro? Yeah, I have so much energy now. You don't want to give me coffee. I have so much energy. So we got 40 minutes and we are to Bedugul. Alright, so here is another ticket counter. It costs 50,000 Indonesian rupees to get in. We made it to Bedugul. We are at the Ulun Danu Beratan Temple. My favorite water temple, or my favorite temple in all of Bali. It's absolutely beautiful. It's super picturesque. It was built in 1633. Thank you. This is one of the most infamous Hindu temples on the water in Bali. You'll see it's absolutely beautiful here. In a lot of these temples, you're not allowed to fly a drone. There's a sign right here if you check it out. Right there, so no drones allowed, so the black stallion's in the car. Oh my god, corn. think that's a corn garbage. It's a corn garbage. I love corn. And yeah, here's here's the temple here. So this is kind of like the official entrance right over here. And then the water temple is right over there. So you go right through the gates. There's a lot of people here. I'm just gonna make it. Sorry. you guys just walk right through there.
Human.
So this is the relation of human to human.
Yeah. And then the mind of the temple, inside that is we call it Parayangan, the relation human to the god.
Okay. And that's that lake right over there, the second largest lake in all of Bali. And the main temple, or the temple, is right over there. It's just you, me, and 1,000 tourists.
Just 1,000.
Just 1,000. The sacred deer. Hi, cutie. Here, boy. Here, boy. So cute. The sacred deer. Come here, Bambi. I think we're gonna check out the boat rides and hopefully jump on a boat. Makasih. Oh, that was awesome. What'd you think?
Oh, so fun.
Good. It's like a bird's nest. That was just as fun as I remember it a year and a half ago. Oh my god, it's just so refreshing to be out there in the water. It's like you're not around tourists basically, and you're just getting an amazing view of the lake. Awesome trip. We missed you.
Oh yeah.
We missed you. Take a boat around the lake. It's worth it.
The rice field.
Rice field, get some lunch.
One of the beautiful rice field in the west of Bali. We call it Jatilui.
Jatilui?
Yeah, keep going.
All right, let's go to the rice field. Oh, makasih. All right. Wow, that is beautiful. This is the largest rice field in all of Bali. Oh my goodness. And here's our lunch spot, so we'll get some lunch first and then check out the rice field. Meagerang and a view, can't beat that.
So that's Jatilui.
Jatilui. Yeah. Wow. That was a good quick little lunch. We're gonna walk around this beautiful rice field. This is the largest rice field again in all of Bali. This is absolutely beautiful. You got these little scarecrows to greet you. These are scarecrows, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is scaring away the birds?
Yes.
Okay, that kind of scared me. I was here a couple weeks back, but it was downpouring, so I wasn't able to shoot the drone up. But now I think we're gonna shoot the drone up, get some cinematics, and enjoy it. So let's take flight. That was absolutely amazing. Possibly one of my best drone flights yet. I was super stoked. Once I shot the drone up, you could just see how big the rice field is here. And the greenery, it's just all green. Rice fields is super beautiful up here. Oh my God. It was just such a smooth flight. I'm just so happy about today. Where are we going now, Gusty?
Tanah Lot Temple.
Tanah Lot Temple. Let's go. After an hour and 30-minute drive, we made it to one of the most famous temples in all of Bali, Tanah Lot Temple. Tanalat means land in the sea in the Balinese language. The temple sits on a large offshore rock which has been shaped continuously over the year by the ocean tide. It was built and has been a part of the Balinese mythology for centuries. During low tide, you can walk up to the temple, and during high tide, good luck swimming, which they don't recommend. All right, we are back.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. This is an awesome day. I'll see you Sunday, okay?
Yeah, see you on Sunday.
Ubud Kintamani tour. Thank you so much. It was a lot of fun. I appreciate it. Oh, thank you so much. It was a lot of fun. Be a good boy. Stay good tonight. I'll see you Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay, see you Sunday. Good day, a little tired. And yeah, we made it back. Gonna chill out a little bit and see what's up for tonight. Oh. Welcome back. Woo! Let's check out the water real quick. Nice. Ah, I forgot to grab my laundry. My laundry's been next door for the last like 2 days. I barely have anything left to wear. Oh, no bueno. But hey! I have no idea what we're gonna do tonight. Trying to dodge motorbikes on the sidewalk. I think it should be right there. Perfect. Have a good day. Thank you guys. Bye! Bye! Oh my god, look at these motorbikes on the sidewalk. Whoa, whoa, gotta dodge this guy. Yep, you're good. Back in the gong show of Canggu. Oh my god, this is like the same traffic that we started out with this morning. Oh, Bali traffic. Got my laundry, feels good. I gotta repack because tomorrow I'm going to another hotel for the next 2 nights, and then Friday I'm gonna be staying in Kuta with a friend who's visiting from LA. Hello again, hello again, hello again. Oh, she just, hey, bad girl. She spanked me. Oh, what a day, what a day. From temples to rice fields to another temples to boat rides. It was an amazing day with Bali Natural Tours. Woo. But yeah, it's gonna be a relaxing night for me. I think I'm gonna chill out here, jump in the pool, lay out a little bit. One of my friends is coming over for dinner around 6, and then I gotta get some editing in tonight. But yeah, I would highly recommend Bali Natural Tours if you're coming out to Bali. This was one of their best tours. It's 650,000 Indonesian rupees per person, minimum of 2 people. So that's around $50 for the tour, but you get to go to a couple temples. You get to see my favorite temple of all time. And again, tickets are included everywhere. You just pay Bali Natural Tours and they'll cover the tickets. But yeah, it was an amazing, amazing day with Bali Natural Tours. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I've been making vlogs for the last month in Bali, all over Bali. There's tons and tons of vlogs all over Bali, so check out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell so you guys know when the next vlogs are coming out. Hit that like button, comment down below if you have any questions on tours, Bali Natural Tours, how to reach them, any questions on Bali in general. And yeah, what an awesome, awesome day. I think I'm gonna get another swim, but thank you guys so much for watching. See you for the next vlog.